Hey there, so your buddy wants to add you in Warzone, but you're stuck because you don't have your battle tag? No worries, I've got your back. Let me walk you through how to find your battle tag and share it easily. First things first, grab any browser you prefer and head over to account.battle.net. You can also find the link in the video description below. Now, type in all your account details and hit that login button if you haven't already. Next up, on the first page that pops up, take a peek at the Your Information section. That's where you'll find your battle tag. Simply copy it and send it right over to your friend. Easy peasy. But hey, if you're more of a Call of Duty launcher person, you can do this from there too. Just open up the launcher, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and voila, your battle tag is right there waiting for you. Hit that copy icon next to it and send it off to your buddy. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.